Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode 381, technical analysis, crypto and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So there's a link to the amazing articles that we cover here on this awesome stream. Now, I'm trying to start the stream without having to do a lot of pre-setup. It's still taking a little bit of time. Also, I don't want to do intros. I'm trying to go without the intros. That way, when you guys come online or start watching, I should be here already. I'm trying to see how that format's going to work, so I'll just give it a shot this week and see how that's playing out. Again, there's stuff I still got to do as I just keep on doing the intro. So while you guys do that, those little things are going to pop up on the screen, right? Like, bell, and sub. While that's happening, I'm still finding here some stuff that I got to keep on using here. On that note, there we go with that. And let's get this link over here, and I can share on Twitter and then on the Discord, and y'all can also follow me here, which is usually the last thing I do, right? Set out the I'm live things. Make sure this is running, that's running also, everything's going fine. There we go, and let's just tweet this out, right? Because we are live. Awesome. Anyways, on that note, let's go check out the Cryptosphere and see what's happening, right? There we go. So, what is happening with crypto today, man? Well, let's go look at market cap, figure out what's going on, right? We moved up. We managed to hit that 618 retrace area, right? We tried to get above it. We failed. We pulled back down a little bit today. We managed to go back up and try to touch it again. Let's see, what was the high? $355.88 billion. We have it at $355.89. So we're very, very close to touching it almost and rejecting higher areas of value. So more money coming into Cryptosphere, right? So we're going down right now. Where are we heading? Well, we could start consolidating between this area, right? Like high, low, lower, high. So high, lower, high. No, low. We could do a higher low now. Maybe start to make a triangle pattern here on consolidation before we actually move again. But right now, just sitting between this area, right? The 618 and the 50% retrace. So moving down potentially could get us to the 50% at $346.30 billion. And we're sitting neutral on the RSI. We're sitting at 58.03. So what's happening with Bitcoin? Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday managed to lose a little bit of dominance, 0.13%. Today it's gaining 0.11%. Sitting at 60.21% of market cap. Where are we with the Bitcoin futures, man? Well, we did gap up a little bit in the opening, right? From up here all the way up to here. It's not a big gap that we moved, so I'll just measure it here real quick. There we go. Approximately 1.26% of the upside. It's very easy for Bitcoin to come down here, close this gap, and try to keep on running. Again, this gap we could consider it closing on the fact that we did move down, maybe here, hit this area, right? This first opening here. So I mean, I would have loved to see this just move down, really closing this gap here, and then bouncing up again. It was just a tiny movement down. Farther movement down that I had to make, but it didn't get it right. Anyways, still have, or it could still be interpreted as this gap have not been closed yet. We could really try to move down there to close that gap. On that note, that's it for S&P futures, right? Sitting at 11,535. Where's Bitcoin at right now? The price of Bitcoin 11,478.97, dude. That's where we're at. Let me send that text over to the 4 hour. I think that's the only where it should be. Anyways, what did we do yesterday? We managed to pump back up again. That's very nice. Got above that 11,453, which is good. Rejecting higher areas of value right now. Moving lower. Lowest we've gotten is 11,455. So very, very close. $2 away from target. Try to find support there. We find support at this area, right? We're consolidating, right? We're pulse up. We're steady consolidate. That's fine. Could try to go for another rally, maybe for 11,928 if the market wants to be bullish. I want to interpret this as being holding on support. If we break below this area again, 11,400, we haven't quite gotten the move to 11,120, which is a move I was expecting to get last time we broke below this area. We just got to 11,200 and found support, then try to pump. But at least that's what I'm seeing right now. Anyways, that positive momentum dying out, still bought at 61.39 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. happening on the 4 hour, man? Alright, this is because we got the OKX news, right? That, OKX was suspending withdrawals. We moved down on that, right? Created the hidden bullish. Rallying on that, that's fine. Hit this area a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times on the 5th time, we really managed to get above there right now. Again, testing that support. Not looking too strong yet, right? 61.12, 61.29. Alright. Starting to create this hidden bearish right now, which I don't like. Alright, it's going slightly higher, right? So again, hidden bearish divergence, potential for movement down. We're getting it right now. Again, it's starting to come here, heading for 11,453, trying to find support. Let's see if we're going to go for a bounce. But yet to be determined, this 4 hour chart at least looks, it wants to move down right now. We also have the 22, 42. If we bounce here and manage to go higher than this previous high, then we'll no longer be doing this bearish divergence here, right? This hidden bearish. It could be negating it. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Something on the 1 hour, right? Bearish divergence. Strong action downside. We moved down slightly, took a bounce. That's great. Again, flirted with this area briefly, moved below. Again, flirted with this area briefly, moved below. On support of the 20, took a bounce right now. We went down here. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. We just hit that 11,453. We also hit the 20 almost spot on. So we had a lot of support at this area. And then we tried rally. Right now, moving down again. We have support at this area. Let's see if we can get it to hold and go on a new rally, on a new movement to the upside, right? Something I want to point out here, we had this strong bearish divergence here, right? Then we move higher, we kind of negated it. But from here to here, right? Look at this. 1 hour. Bearish divergence, right? That's one. Strong bearish divergence here. And then also here, right? This is 68.86, 69. So here we're going higher. So we're not going to have it here on the RSI. But here on the MACD, look at that, right? Again, we're starting to create this bearish divergence. We're just not having it play down to the downside very strong. It's just kind of like, it does move us down, but we really found support at the 20 here, and also found support at the 20 here. I would like to say that we're doing something bullish. Let me check here. 57.50, 56, right? So it's lower, definitely, right? So low to higher low, and then here we're going from a point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI, creating that hidden bullish. And probably why we're stalling here and finding support at this area. Maybe trying to bounce also. It's okay for Bitcoin. We would also have it here, right? On the MACD. Look at that. Here, the MACD is at 0.16. Here's at 0.43. So again, we have that hidden bullish there. Potential for a continuation to the upside still. Right, this strong bearish, it could still crash us down, but we found support here. Let's see if that's going to keep on holding our support as we try to move along on Bitcoin. On that note, let's go and check out Ethereum, man. Thank y'all for being here, by the way. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. If you haven't hit like, for sure hit that like. So what are we doing in Ethereum, man? On the daily. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Hit that area, 364. Took a bounce yesterday, which is fine. Today starting to move down a little bit, rejecting probably 380. That's what it looks like we rejected. Yeah, 380, right? Look at the high, 380 on the dot. Starting to move down slightly. Right, not too bad there. Again, hidden bearish, moving down, finding support here at the 20, here at 364, and we knew we could try to rally a little bit. Then we had some bearish divergence on the shorter time scales, but we'll check it out in a second. Sitting at 54.35 on the RSI, so neutral. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour chart. Low, lower, low, higher. All right, finally right now here on the 4 hour chart, we're starting to develop something. Right, look, high, lower high, and then we're going from here to here, right? Look at that. So some hidden bearish, potential action to the downside. Soka, hey man, hit the like. Yeah, awesome, bro. Thanks. Thanks for being here, Soka. How's it going, man? Haven't seen you typing in a while, man. Glad that you're here. Hope your weekend was good, man. Anyways, hidden bearish, right? Action to downside. Started to move down slightly. Breaking below 376.58. If we manage to keep on going below that, we might phase a 20. The 20 sitting at 371.13 cents right now. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, man? Yuma and XLM? Sure, man. We can look at those. Right on. Yuma and XLM. For sure, man. Alright, anyways, bearish divergence moving down right now. That's fine. Neutral at 54.55 on the RSI. Again, you know, that's fine. We found support here on that rally. It's all good, right? Neutral, like I said. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, snap. Sorry, guys. Forgot to anchor here on the 4 hour. There we go. It's Sunday night, man. Look, here we're looking for that bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence. We did move down, right? Found support, took a bounce. That's good. Now, from here to here. See that, right? Look, going higher. Moving lower. Bearish divergence is strong against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI still, right? The RSI has just been going nice. Look, high, higher, right, higher. Higher, higher, right, higher, higher. And last point higher and also higher here, right? Just the bearish divergence against the MACD. Could be also that Bitcoin moved down, and that's why we moved down. We're finding support at 20, which is good, right? Look, we hit that 20 spot on here. We wicked it, rejected lower, hit the 20. Right now we're opening at the 20 and trying to move higher, which is okay. Again, that negative momentum is starting to build. Nothing else that I can see bullish here. So we have, we're sitting neutral at 58.63 on their side. All I'm looking at right now is if we're going to get a bounce here, and if it's going to go higher than this area. If this bounce fails to go higher in this area, you know, whatever kind of divergence that we're looking for, we don't have. And the bearish divergence, you know, if this goes higher, the bearish divergence is not playing. If it fails to go higher, right, it could break down again, break below the 20, and then this bearish divergence, it's really coming into play. On that note, like I said, neutral at 58.63 on the RSI. Let's go check out XRP, man. XRP at 24.22 cents, man. Again, starting to go higher, trying to rise a little bit, but not too much. Yesterday gaining 0.74%, today moving down slightly. We're not doing anything here that's bullish or bearish, so I'm going to move on to the 4-hour chart. Again, XRP just not doing much. Had the strong bullish, trying to rally on that. Hitting the 20, rejecting it briefly. You're right, we opened here, gapped up a little bit, moved down. We're trying to find support at the 20. I'm not sure, man. XRP is really not playing along nicely. Tightness out the Bollinger Band starting to come in. Neutral at 43.37 on the RSI. That's fine. High, low, positive, less positive. We're still less positive. Let's see, 49, 51. 51. We're just coming sideways here. I was looking to see if we were going slightly higher here, and then we had some hidden bearish, which we don't. Right now, we're just going sideways. But again, XRP is not doing much. Neutral at 42.71 on that RSI, right? On that note, let's go check out the 1-hour chart. Here we go. Alright, so we had the hidden bearish. We'll move down on that, right? We had this bullish on the 16th, right? That's fine. This we had also on the 16th. I don't think we did anything yesterday here. High, low, right, high, low, lower, right, lower. Coming in lower here as well. We go on a small rally. We did create something here. Did I have something here yesterday? I don't remember, man. No, because here we're coming in lower. Here we're negative, and here we're also coming in lower. So we didn't have anything bullish here. Oh, it sucks. I'm checking something out real quick here. So just give me 1 second. 23.95. 24. All right. So slightly higher. Yay for Spotify ads, man. Aren't they great, man? I mean, since you cannot play copyright music on YouTube, you just have to play copyright-free music. So why pay for Spotify, right? Let's play something else. Let's go with this one. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. Move down, try to hold on to a 20, try to rally. Did we manage to go higher? I doubt it, man, right? Look. High. What was this opening here? 24.287. 24.287. 24.287. Alright, we went sideways there. That works. And that move, we're coming in here low, right? Are we going lower here? 59.80 something, 59.99, slightly higher there. So now we have bearish divergence, medium bearish divergence against the MACD. Yeah, medium bearish divergence against the MACD. And on that note, we are getting that potential movement to the downside again, coming down slightly, trying to regain that 20. Did we? Yeah, we did create something. Some hidden bullish, right? Look at that. Hidden bullish divergence. Potential continuation. We got that movement to a 20. Struggling with it here. Indecision candle, right? Look, spinning top, indecision still. Right now it looks like it wants to go down, but it's really failing, right? So it's like we're finding some kind of support there. Hey, Phil, how's it going, man? Just finished watering your grass. Awesome. RSR. Yeah, sure, man. We'll check out RSR. No worries. Right on. So neutral at 49.37 on the RSI. Let's go check out Litecoin. The Litecoin. What is the Litecoin doing? Bearish divergence, section to downside, moving down, breaking below 20 yesterday, trying to regain it, failing right now. Positive momentum dying out. Neutral at 46.39 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bullish divergence, right? This is from the 1 hour. Haha. I forgot to anchor stuff yesterday. Weird. That is weird, man. Very, very weird. Anyways, bullish divergence, right? Strong. Actually, the upside, we went up, hit that 20, rejected, right? Hitting the 20, rejecting still. Not too good looking right now. So coming in lower, right? Coming in lower here and also lower here. Neutral at 41.31. Nothing on the 4 hour I want to call right now. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Wait, did I think I missed something here. Yeah, I did. Awesome. I can work with this. So coming in lower, right? Again, I hate going over data, but we're coming in lower here. And as we're coming in lower, you can tell here, we're definitely going higher. So hidden bearish against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI. Probably where we rejected here. Right, still rejecting here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Alright, so we're looking for something bearish here, right? As we were live yesterday, or whenever I was here yesterday. We're moving down still, right? So we did try to go for a rally afterwards. That's fine. We still had this bullish divergence here to play off. And that was fine. Type 2 bullish divergence. Rallied a little bit more. That's great. Now, did we go higher than here? No, lower. So high to low, low to high still, right? So again, this, I could just switch over to here, right? We're still coming in lower, and we're still going on higher. So we're still creating hidden bearish divergence. Again, we're failing to take off, right? And it seems that every move that we made just gets us to the same level, more or less. So right here, we're going slightly higher, right? You can tell here that the closing is at 47.55, and here is at 47.57. It's just 2 cents, but it's still higher nonetheless. So on that note, I'll anchor this in the 1 hour chart here. And, you know, from here to lower, right? And here, I think they will go on higher. 59.02. 59.18, so we don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. Now from here to here, we also managed to go slightly higher, ever so slightly higher, just there, and going from here to here, right? So we could have just anchored from here all the way to there, and that would have worked as well. Now do we have it here? Let's see, 59.18, 58. So yeah, we are coming in lower, right? Getting that movement to the downside on the bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence moving down. That is fine. Really not a lot going on after that. Sitting at 43.79 on the RSI, so we're not doing much after that, right? So again, moving down, happening. All good for Litecoin, I guess. So let's go check out Binance. Binance sitting at $30.28, man. Bearish divergence, we move down. We haven't developed anything else. We're trying to rally a little bit, that's fine. Neutral at 59.07 on the RSI, so there's nothing going on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Nothing bullish right now, nothing bearish, right? So again, we're just moving sideways a little bit after we hit the 20 yesterday. And that's fine, right? We were live, I guess, this candle or this candle. One of these two candles. I should get above here briefly, right? Failing. Neutral at 46.68 on the RSI. Here, are we going slightly higher? Yeah, higher. Yeah, nothing there. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We move down. Now, what happened here? Look, we went slightly higher here also. And that moved slightly higher. We're still coming slightly lower here, I believe. Let's see. 547. 525. So yeah, definitely 54, 52, right? Slightly less here. And also lower here on the RSI, creating strong bearish divergence against the MACD, against the RSI, moving down that, right? That's what's moving us down. Now, do we have some glimmer of hope here? Yeah, we do, man. Look, going from low, higher low, negative, more negative, a point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI, right? So hidden bullish. At some point in time, we even had hidden bullish to here against the MACD, but not against the RSI, right? We developed it against the RSI on this next drop on rejection of the 20. That's gonna be it for this Binance. So I'll check out DVT and then I'll do UMA, XLM, and then RSR, right? That's the request so far, man. Wow, DVT did manage to go on a little drop still. 3.9 sats, that's okay. Still a good project. Let's get the MACD here again, guys. I think I did get voted into the marketing DAO, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, RSI, there you go. Let's get some indicators out here. Let's get some, let's make this now. Columns and make that green. There we go, man. Now it's easier to see. Right, what is this? 25.11. 24, slightly lower. So nothing bullish there, nothing bullish here, coming in lower. I'm not liking this one. The only thing I like here short term though. This is very, very short term. Right, from here to here. Coming in sideways in the price. Here we're coming in from here to here, right? So some bullish divergence developing here. Right, like that. Right, so type 2 bullish divergence, medium bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside here with DVT. So yeah, the project's good, okay. Long term, again, this is a longer term project. They did come out with BLS signatures. Yeah, so they're coming out with the BLS signatures, which is really cool. That's going to help the project out along. It's going to be a huge privacy issue that gets solved for crypto, not just for this project. So I have a lot of faith on that. Anyways, here we had the bearish divergence, right? High, higher, high. Point positive momentum to less positive momentum, high on the RSI to lower point, right? On that note, we move down, and we're moving down since. That's fine. Look, we're just coming in here sideways. Alright, we're going sideways, and we're going from a low to a negative momentum to more negative momentum, and a low to a lower low. So we don't have anything bullish right now. Just neutral at 31. Sorry, sold at 31.87 on the RSI. Let's go to the daily, man. I mean, it kind of sucks that we're getting this movement down because we did have a lot of technicals for bullish divergence, right? Look at this. From here to here. Here to here, right? I know this because we already called this plenty of times here, right? There's in two parts, so we can get a lot of lines crossing over. There we go. And then from down here to up there, right? So again, we don't have anything bearish, right? We didn't create anything bearish here. Not in the daily, right? High. Lower high, positive, less positive, high on the other side to a lower point. So on the daily, we're good, right? We could be getting one of those like reversals, and we probably felt a drop, find support here, and then we go higher, right? Which that would become a strong bullish indicator. If we felt a drop to the previous all-time, to the previous low, sorry, here at whatever this opening was, 32. If we felt a drop there, and this could be going up. Even if we go to 232, right, making less negative momentum. We're gonna be going sideways here, so double bottom, right? Then with some type 2 bullish divergence, and then we could really try to go on pumping on that, right? So that would be a good move. Why am I saying it's gonna be on a double bottom? Because the trend is down, right? Like it's been coming down, generating that double bottom again. Boom, right? You guys to try to go higher. That's it for DVT. Let's go check out Yuma. Yumama coin. Yuma, where's Yuma, man? Yuma, here we go. What's he doing? High, lower, high, positive, low to higher. All right, we have something. Not what we want to find, though. All right. Let's just get this on the daily. There we go. 47.80, 48.27, slightly higher. Look at this, boom, boom, right? Bearish divergence, action downside. That's what we might be getting here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, what do we have? High, low, high, low, high, low. Everything's good here. I don't have anything I can complain about on this right now. It's been bought at 63.90 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We rejected $10.42, by the way. Look at that. Nice move to the upside, right? Rejected actually $10.53. But again, close enough. We also wigged that area over here, right? So we know it's an area that we are rejecting. So, Andrew, dude, I hope you got your exit on this. It did get close enough to 10.50. I think that was your exit, right? 10.50 or 10.35. So you had your sell point at that place. You might have been able to sell your position. I'm not sure if you sold it, bro. But I hope you were able to get out of your Yuma position. I know you were eager to get out of it. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right on. So, still coming in lower here. And then we're going slightly higher, right? So from a low point to a higher point, 29. So oversold to sold, right? At 33. So again, strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. I'm gonna try to see if we had it here against the MACD. It's just gonna be very awkward here. Let's see, 9, 10. So 10.63, 13, slightly more negative momentum. So we didn't have it against the MACD here short term though, right? From here to here, right? On that movement down, we did have it here. So bullish divergence strong, also against the MACD, just short time scale. Action to the upside anyway, and we rallied, right? We went parabolic. I don't like it when this goes parabolic or goes up too quickly, right? It was a good move. It was a sizable move from $7, 7.38 all the way up to 10.52, right? We are talking about a good percentage-wise here. So we can get this reading again from here to here. 10.52. Come on, there we go. 42% gains, right? That's not a small feat. If you got in here, could have exited up there. That would be great, man. We are just got the notification from my stream right now. Awesome, dude. That's yeah, but I'm live, dude. I send it on the Discord as well and on Twitter. But thank you for being here, Steve. Yeah. I guess we'll squeeze in ADA after RSR because I know you're gonna request that. So that's Yuma, man. I hope you were able to exit here. Again, there's nothing bearish, right? This is impulse up. This is just consolidation happening below the 236, right? Look at that. Below that area. Below $9.09. We're sitting at $8.09 here. But again, we did get the move that you were looking for, man. I hope you were able to exit, Andrew. For reals. Andrew exchanges XRP for Stellar. Awesome, bro. That's a gutsy move, I guess, depending on how long you were hodling on XRP. We'll look at XLM for sure, man. That's the next coin we're going to look at. I'm looking to move my XRP to other stuff as well. I'm tired of just hodling that bag. Dude, it's... I've been debating it for the last... at least I've been saying it for a while, right? That I'm going to get out of XRP. I should be getting out of XRP. I should have gotten out of XRP when it hit 32 cents again, or 30 plus cents a couple months ago. I didn't. I should have. And I should have put my XRP in something else. Or at least bought the dip again and have a larger position. But, you know, I think I'm just going to get out of XRP wherever I have it. And go place it somewhere else. Because it's just annoying, man, to have it there and doing nothing, right? It's just at a continuous 24 cent, 25 cent area, right? Between 23 and 25 cents. It's just insane that the project cannot take off, dude. A lot of people are starting to open their eyes that XRP might not be what it's cracked up to be, man. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad project. They have a use case. They have just so much circulating supply. They have so much lookup in escrow. I know that it gets unlocked. It doesn't get sold 100%. They just sell a portion of it. But what they're doing is just taking forever to take off, right? They have people using it, they like it, but it's just failing to perform, bro. And it doesn't matter how good the project is. If it fails to perform, it's just going to go downhill or move sideways forever, right? So, it fell, cashing out of XRP as well in November, hodling since 2017. Yeah, dude, I've been hodling XRP since 2018. So I think I'm going to get out of that. Always chasing growth. How's it going, man? I don't think I've seen you here before. Thank you for being here, man. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Much appreciated. What do I think about RAND, dude? I haven't looked at RAND, so we'll look at it after ADA. That's on the list. Right now, we got to move to XLM, then it's RSR, then it's ADA, and then it's RAND. So four more analysis before we get to RAND, right? Let's check XLM, bro. That's XLM we were looking for, right? Look, we managed to pump a little bit more. That's fine. We still had created the bearish divergence that we had here on the daily, right? Potential action to the downside. We don't have it against the RSI. Moved down slightly, right? We were bought. We moved down to neutral. We're still sitting neutral right now, 58.26. Nothing else has developed yet, so we're just flagging, right? Impulse up, flagging. We could be consolidating here and going up again. I heard they implemented something that it's gonna make it more secure. I think it's a flaw that XRP has that XRP hasn't quite solved yet. And that someone on Twitter brought up to their attention, but they really are kind of like ignoring her. But it's something that Stellar did, and I think a lot of people are starting to get into Stellar also. So I do hold some XLM, not a lot, but you know, I wouldn't mind increasing my position at this rate. Yeah, for sure. Or maybe something else, right? Anyways, on that note, let's go to the 4 hour. Look, in the 4 hour, we were looking for divergence here. We obviously pumped higher, so it's fine. We got rid of it, right? We had it when we were looking at it. By the time we closed at 11 or so, you know, we got rid of it. And that was back on the 16th, so we haven't looked at this in 2 days. Impulse up. Consolidation, right? Moving down. Consolidating hardcore, man. I don't like these consolidations. Coming out too sharp, so... Feels like a lot of people got out of this level. And they were really willing to sell out of their position. Right now, this looks a little bit like a falling wedge. That's the only thing I like. We did move down, almost hit the 20. They wouldn't quite go down there. Hit the 20 would have been better. But if this falling wedge is to play true, we should be expecting another move to the upside. Right? And that would be good. A secondary move to the upside, right? That would be great, man, for XLM, right? That would be golden, man. Sitting neutral at 58.77 on the RSI. Andrew, what will eventually go up? Oh, never mind. Yeah, I read it all together. It will eventually go up. Yeah, dude, it will eventually go up. You're right. It will eventually go up. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. Again, right, we just drew this, so I'm just going to adjust here on the 1 hour. Again, this divergence was when I was hunting for it here on the at 9 p.m. on the 16th. We obviously moved higher, and that's fine, right? Look at that, we much higher. Went higher there as well, and then also here we went higher, I do believe. Let's see, 83.70, 83.63. No, we didn't. We created bearish divergence here against the RSI. Oh no, bearish divergence action to the downside. Boom, moved down, right? Hit below the 20, try to reverse it, failing, right? Managed to get above it briefly, moving down again. What are we doing? Are we going lower? Yes, we are going lower. Dude, this is good. Against the MACD, though, right? Look, from here to here, we're coming in higher. All right, slightly, sorry, lower. We're going lower, higher. Let me move this out of the way. Let me get this line here to show us the truth, right? So we're coming in lower. So from here to a lower point here. Look at this, right? Look at that, man. Look at that, man. Right, we're creating strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside, getting above the 20, but failing to take off, dude. Are we creating something here? Doubt it. High, low, high, low. Nope, we're not. So again, just highlighting this. Resistance, we could be hitting that, and that could be what we're doing right now, right? Hitting that resistance. Probably why it's failing to take off. And here, I'll just adjust it to here. Again, we'll go like that, right? I'll make this slight blue. That way we know this is going to be something different than the rest of the stuff that we have, right? So again, this yellow line just highlights the divergence. That's fine. And then the blue highlights the pattern that we're trading. That will be a falling wedge in this case. You know, I'm not using the wicks, right? I'm using the bodies right now for this. So like an XLM looking good, right? Not looking bad. Look, impulse up, nice flag formation. Here it looks a lot better on the 4 hour. The 4 hour just looked too sharp, too quick. All right. But it doesn't look too bad. We could still manage to break this to the upside and hopefully get another rally happening here on XLM, right? And your XRP will eventually go up. Yeah, man, in like 1,000 years when they burn a lot of supply, I guess. No, I'm kidding, dude. I'm not sure when XRP is going to go up, dude. Again, I'm a little bit disappointed on that project and the fact that it's underperforming the rest of crypto, right? Like the top 10 crypto coin, and it's just underperforming the rest of the market. All of the other coins have performed better than XRP, I think. Even like, I wouldn't even say that Tether has performed better than XRP, man. That's just a cruel joke because Tether never moves, right? But it's just insane, dude. XRP is just horrible, performing horrible this year. Let's check out at RSR, man. We got that next request. RSR, there we go. Let's go to the daily first. I haven't looked at RSR in a while, man. Bullish, moving up. Oh, cool. We're 1.1 cent. Awesome, dude. Awesome. I'm regaining some of my lost value. Not a lot, but at least I think I'm down 66% now. Let's see. Yeah, 63%, man. I regained a little bit. I was down hardcore on this, man. I'm still down hardcore, but now it's down much worse, dude. Like here at 74, man, right? At least now I've recovered a little bit of value here. Let's see if we can manage to get this going out, man. Again, I got in really bad here. XRP, the stable 24-cent coin. Yeah, it's pegged to a quarter, man, right? Like Bitcoin, like, you know, you have Tether and other coins that are pegged to a dollar. Not Bitcoin, other coins. Stable coins. And then XRP is the quarter stable coin, right? It's always pegged to a quarter. So, yeah, that's a joke that's going around for XRP, right? So I'm trying to see here if we're doing something. I cannot gauge anything back here, so I can tell you that from here to here, we definitely created some bearish divergence, though, right? Against the RSI, because that's the only thing I can look at, right? So from here to here, let's get this on yellow again. And it was all yellow too, right? Here, 4 hour, man. Let me know if you guys. Sorry, no, it's a daily actually. Let me know if you guys like the stream format that I'm going with right now, where I don't do. The waiting screen at the beginning and then the starting soon, and then like, you know, the small intro movie for this, because you know, I've been trying to like just start and you know, with the image going on and just get going off the bat with the small intro, and then just finish setting up everything I have to do while I'm talking with or trying to intro into the channel. Reason behind that is because I noticed that a lot of people were coming in and leaving while the intro was playing, right? Like they came in, there was like, oh man, there's nothing going on, and you know, they left. So I'm trying to capture that audience as well. Anyways, right, we had that bearish divergence here. Here we're going lower and then high to low, I guess. Let's see, 52, 25, 51, yeah, coming in lower. So yeah, we had hidden bearish. We moved down to the 20, found support there and trying to go on a rally again. We rejected here also. The 236, right, from low to high, right? We rejected the first area of retrace. So from here, a good exit for me right now would be potentially look, I'll go with rectangles so I can show you where I would be exiting here. Not that one, this one. So from low, right, first area of exit would be here, right? That's the first target where I would be taking probably profits. Then the next target that I would be taking profits will probably be snap, not that. I didn't want to do that. Very likely be here, right? The 50%, and then last portion I would be taking profits probably would be a 618, right? That would be a smart way to do it, because after here we could break down again. So at least to 22 cents, I wouldn't be losing that bad there, right? I would be taking a hit, but not a hard hit. Just a 27% hit, right? So, you know, I would be gauging it also, right? As it's going up, if we don't have anything bearish that would imply moving downside, I'll just probably let it ride a little more. And then as soon as I see that turn happening, right, exit. Because we could do a deep retrace to 786, right? There's nothing saying we couldn't go up there. And that would be really good, actually, if I exited up there, right? Like even up here. Yeah, I'm making each triangle larger because, you know, taking more profit as you go. If I were to exit here, man, that would be a 14% hit, right? That wouldn't be too bad. I didn't put that much money into this project also, right? You guys know I put $100 in it just to see how it went. Because there's supposed to be a lot of stuff happening for it. It's been radio silence. I haven't seen a lot of stuff happening on Twitter regarding RSR. So I'm really waiting for this to pump a little bit more. Anyways, that's it in the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. FL, you're always late, but you always say straight to the bread and butter. That's good, man. I'll say straight to the beer and butter, man. The butter beer, man. Right, so what do we had here? Bullish divergence, right? See the 20 rejected, right? That's the last thing we need. Look here at the 4 hour. Look at that. Oh, snaps. What do we happen here? Again, strong bullish divergence, right? And what happened there, man? Look, here we have it even against the RSI. Rally again, managed to get above the 20 briefly, but we created a hidden bearish. Oh, no. Right, look at that. Snap, snap. Boom, boom, right? And then also here, look at that. Isn't that horrible? Yes, it is, man. Is this on the 4 hour? Yeah, it's on the 4 hour. Awesome. Right on. So, oh, Spotify ads. Yay, man. Great, Spotify. Thank you for your awesome ads. Coming in lower. Now, from here to here, we don't have anything. I'm not going to call anything here. That's fine on the 4 hour. Oh, found the bottom, I guess. Rally. So went higher. More positive. Right, higher on the other side. That's fine. Move down slightly, hit that 20. Went on a new rally. That's great, right? Boom. Are we higher? Yeah, I believe we're higher. We're higher, yeah. And we're also higher here, right? So we created something bearish here just on this very, very last part, right? Like this, from here to here. And then from here to here. But that was at the top, right? And then we're overbought. So any kind of divergence where we're overbought or oversold will very, very likely trigger. So trigger the movement to downside, broke below 20. Try to rally, but what happened here? We created some hidden bullish. Look at that, man. Oh, yeah, man. Like the pros. Boom, boom, and boom. Also, man. Wow. Look at that combo, man. Hidden bullish against the MACD and the RSI. So what happens? Continuation. Boom. We're pumping to the upside. That's great. Now, are we going higher than the previous high? Not yet. So could we? Yeah, if we try to go higher, we could. I'm just worried that if we try to go higher right now, we're going higher here, right? And here we could still be lower and create some strong bearish divergence again. Could really be talking about another move to the downside here on RSR. On that note, that's it for the 4 hour. Let's go on the 1 hour RSR. The last thing we had was bearish divergence here. We moved down. That was great. Nothing off with that call. Then, you know, we started to climb. That's all good here. I'm just going to check out the major stuff on the 1 hour. I don't want to spend a lot of time on the 1 hour chart. Managed to go higher here, right? Let's do this in the 1 hour. There we go. Coming lower, right? And coming lower here as well, right? So bearish divergence, strong action, downside. Moving down, that's great. Now look, as we're coming lower every time here, right? From here to here. Here to here. I like this strong bullish divergence against the MACD first, and then just against the MACD and the RSI. So it's awesome, right? Yeah, strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, right? That's what got us the reversal, and then that started to climb again. Now high, right to low. That was fine here. Boom, boom, right. We'll play this one up to here. To here. And then from here to here, right? So hidden bearish. Where are we gonna go? Down. So we went down slightly, but we felt a drop more than the previous low, and that note was interpreted as bullish. We rallied even more, so we just keep on tracking this, right? Look, we're still going higher, and we're still developing this hidden bearish action to downside. That's what we saw here. Moved to that 20, hit the 20, found support, and went on a new spike there, right? And here we also created this against the RSI, and that's fine. Now here we are going higher still. And look at this, man. Now we're starting to create that strong bearish divergence against the MACD, not against the RSI. Right? Against the RSI, we're good. So that movement down, maybe hit that 20, try to find support, maybe go for another rally. Also created against the RSI and then break down. Right now, I don't think we have a lot going on here. Let's see, 1769, 14, so slightly less, right? So 2. So now we definitely have something. That slow moving down. So that's why I said hit the 20 maybe. If we hit the 20, we're definitely going to be creating some hidden bullish, right? And also here against the RSI snap. Right now we have it here. Then we would have it from here to here as well, right? So again, look at that. Hidden bullish, right? So we're going lower. And right now where we're at right now, we still have that hidden bullish, right? So again, just keep that in mind. Quick great hidden bullish at the 20. Then go for a new rally here on RSR. That'll be a good move for RSR, bro, for reals. If you're watching the stream and you haven't done it yet, hit that like, that button, that sub. What are you thinking, man? Come on, sub to the channel. Hit that like. It's free, man. It's free content. It's free, great content for you. Always chasing growth. I'm not sure if you've subbed yet, but if you haven't, sub, bro. If not, you can unsubscribe and get your subscription money back. I mean, it's free, right? It's free subscription. So you just can hit unsubscribe later on. But why unsubscribe, man? It's a great channel. Yeah, sure, FL. No worries, man. Now we got Cardano and Ren to look at. That was RSI in a nutshell. So let's go ADA. What's happening with Cardano? Oh, good. It's getting above the 100% again and trying to hold it. So it's great, man. Let's go here on the daily. Cardano, right? Moving sideways, climbing on the channel that we drew, which was good. Still managed trying to get higher. That's fine. Also higher here, right? So again, we had the bearish divergence, moved down, hit support at the 20, managed to stay within this rising channel that we called. Also, right, we also said it could be a potential rising wedge, right? But right now we're treating it as a channel. We want to be a little bit more hopeful on our analysis here and see if this is going to go higher still. So, right, trying to retrace to that 382, right? At 11.31 cents. Right now sitting at 10.69 cents. In neutral at 57.75 on the RSI. Not a lot happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, last thing we called here, we weren't live on the 16th, but you know, whenever we called it, it was bullish. So we're going higher, getting above the 20, trying to find support. And still trying to go higher. High to low, positive, less positive still, I believe. Let's see, 22605. 19. So yeah, definitely lower and also lower here. So nothing bearish. Yeah, that's good. We could still try to hit that 20 and go for another bounce. Again, tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in. We could be getting a wild bounce here on volatility coming back into the market. But sitting neutral right now at 54.35. Again, you know, last time we had was strong bullish, so we're still running on that. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, oh, we had bullish divergence here. Oh, did we create it still by the time the chart was done? I doubt it. No, we pulled back down a little bit and then... And I gotta move this out of the way because I can't see. Oh, we came slightly lower, man. Oh no. Do we do something there? I do believe so. Oh, I do believe so, sir. Quite so, quite so. Oh my god. There we go, man. Look at that. That's gravy, man. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite, man. We got rid of it against the other side. We kept it against the MACD like champs. And on that note, we did manage to pump a little bit, right? Try to get about 20 still. But we didn't create anything bearish yet. So from here to here, you know, still coming in lower. Less positive momentum, lower on the RSI also. So yeah, definitely everything was going on good here. Just here short term is why I started worried about this because we're definitely trying to go higher here. Much higher. Much higher, sir. There we go. Look, did I anchor this in the 1 hour? Yeah, I did. All right, cool. Try to go on higher there, and then we're going from here to here, right? So coming in lower. Also here we're going higher, I believe. Let's see, 64.82 and 66, so definitely higher. Nothing against the RSI, just against the MACD. We're starting to create strong bearish divergence. Probably why we're failing to take off. We did move down, hit that 20, try to reject lower prices, but right now we're going to go down again. It looks like it, right? At least for our retest of that 20. If we lose that, I mean, we do have that support of the rising channel to look forward to, and see if it's still going to credit us. But the more we flirt with this lower area, the more likely it is that we're going to break it. Another way to look at this short term would be to look at this as a sort of triangle, right? And that could work. As you can tell, we would be hitting maturity quite soon. So even if I use the wicks, right? So I'll go with wicks there, wick there, and then you know, wick here as well. So you know, we could be getting very mature into a symmetrical triangle. We could break either way. If we break to the upside, it could get us again to go at least to that 50% line. On that note, sitting neutral at 54.11 on the RSI, and I'm not going to call anything else here. So let's go check out Ren and Stimpy. Y'all remember that cartoon, Ren and Stimpy? It used to be a great show, man. Ren, there we go. Yo, always chasing growth. Since you didn't specify coin, I'm just gonna check Ren against the dollar, and I hope that's fine. When you want me to look at something against something, just let me know against what pair. But Ren at 33 cents, man. 33.3 cents, man. What? 33.337 cents. Wow, that's pretty cool. A third of a dollar, almost a dot. Oh, we had looked at Ren before. Oh my god, dude, that's cool, bro. I can't remember when we looked at Ren, but we looked at Ren before. Bearish divergence, actually to downside. We broke down. Wow, awesome. Found support where we were supposed to find support, right? At the 382. Found it once, finding it again, very close. Right. Again, positive momentum dying out. Neutral at 53.34 on there. So let's go to the 4 hour, man. What's happening on the 4 hour? Again, we rallied. That was great. We didn't have anything to call here, I believe. Yeah, we didn't have anything to call here. That's awesome, dude. High, lower, high, positive, positive. Low, lower. Let's see. Did we go do something here? Yeah, I do believe we might have. 698, 66. Right on. Right on the money, dude. Strong bullish divergence here on Ren Stimpy. We don't have it against the RSI, right? Just keep that clear. Neutral at 45.07. Are we creating something new? High, lower, high, possible is positive. High on the RSI to a lower point. So I'm not going to call anything bearish here. At least not in the 4 hour. Tightness of the monument started to come in. Could be getting a wild move. Flirting with the 20, but we're losing it right now in this 4 hour candle. That's not looking too hot. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. Oh, damn. That's good. Alright, look at this. Boom. Look at this. Boom, boom. Right? Double boom. And then look at this. Triple boom, boom, boom. Right? Look at that. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside. I think that rally, that was great, man. But we created some... did we go higher? Yeah, we did go higher. That's awesome. Not higher than here. Uh-oh. This is on the 1 hour. Did I anchor this to the 1 hour? Did I forget to anchor this on the 1 hour, man? Is it on the 1 hour? Or is it not on the 1 hour? It's not. I forgot. Haha. There we go. Let me just do this real quick here. There we go. Right on. So why am I doing that move, right? Because I'm going to be doing this move. Look at this. Boom. Going higher. Bearish divergence. Hidden. Action to downside. Broke down on that. We're going higher here. We're going higher here. Everything's going good. So we move low. Now we're going lower. I mean, more negative momentum. That's a question. No, not from here, I guess. 883, 77. Yeah, it works. We'll go from here. From here to here, and then from here to here. Right, some strong bullish divergence starting to develop there. Nothing against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're fine. Sitting neutral at 41.40. Right now we have this divergence going on here. The strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Then from here to here, we did create some hidden bullish also, right? So from here to here, we went slightly higher, and then from here to here, we did come with more negative momentum. On the RSI, we're going fine. But again, you know, hidden bullish, try to rally, reject it. Try to rally, rejection, right? Everything's going on here. Good. So hidden bullish, that's what we have right now. So strong bullish, sorry, on the 1 hour chart. Potential action to the upside. That's Ren. in a nutshell. I think we covered everything that was requested so far. If y'all got any other requests, let me know and we'll check them out. Otherwise, you know, we'll call it a stream. I'm not even sure who's watching, but thank y'all for being here and being awesome supporters of this channel, man. For else, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub again. That way you're going to be notified when we go live. It is Sunday night. I hope you're having a great weekend so far. Yeah, no worries. Always chasing growth. If you have any other requests, let me know, man. I'll check it out right now. Otherwise, you know, we can ask tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'm here every night, except when I'm not here, which is just very random that I'm not here. But I'm almost always here. Tezos. Yeah, I can look at Tezos. Why not? XTC, let's go check that one out. Here it is, Tezos. Can't remember what Tezos I was looking at, so I won't have to go on the daily. I think it's this one. Yeah, right. Cool. Last thing we had was bearish divergence, actually a downside. We need to move down slightly. We called that out in September. I don't think we've looked at Tezos in a while, but that's good, man. That's okay. Right. Anyways, these divergence, right? It keeps on tracking. Why do I mean by it keeps on tracking? Look, we go from here to here, right? And then from here to here still, right? So look at that, right? That's why they keep on tracking, right? It just keeps on growing. And here we also have it, right? Look at that, from here to here. Boom, right? So again, that that bearish divergence, sorry, still goes on and on and on like the Energizer Bunny. Because we're still creating it, that's why. Tightness on the Bollinger Band's there. We should be expecting a wild move to happen on Tezos. We're not getting it yet, so bearish divergence here again, right? Hidden. Moving down, hitting that 20, finding support. We are breaking, right? This was good, man, right? From low to high, going lower. We hit some resistance here at the 618. We're breaking below that area, right? Trying to hold on to a 20, which is the only good thing I'm seeing right now. Look, we move down, we're near the 20. We could try to get another go here, right? And if we manage to get above this level again, we could be looking for a retrace. Right now, we did go from low to high for this one. That's what we did, you know, from low to high. That's great. And neutral at 45.73 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, last thing we had here was on the 30th. We had hidden bullish, and we tried to rally on that, and that was fine. We failed to go higher in the previous high, right? And we had strong bearish. Interpret that as bearish sign. Also, you could, if you wanted to, you could have looked at this as a sort of head and shoulders kind of building here. It is slightly higher than I would have liked to, but again, this could become a head and shoulders, you know, and then moving down will be a measure move from here to here. What do you mean a head and shoulders? I'll point it out in a second. I'll tell you where we broke there. We should have broken around here. The neckline, and we did get a measure move by the time we hit here. Now I just want to make sure this is going to be here on the 4 hour, and not everywhere else like it wants to go right now. But let's fix this here. And I'll point out the head and shoulders that I'm talking about. I don't like one of the shoulders; it's too high for my taste. But again, that's just for me, right? Look. Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? This shoulder is much higher, right? Tezos at $2, and where's it at right now? Sorry, I didn't call the price of Tezos. $2.19. Where would the neckline have been? Well, I would have just dragged this and gone on like that. Sorry, like that. We had the bullish divergence. We broke the neckline here, like I said, right? And then get a measure move. Well, we could have called pattern completion here. That's fine. No, I'm also not taking this one 100% here. So if I go here and I go exactly to the top, probably would have been right around there. Probably the measure move. Again, I just did this one quickly. Right, so for illustrative purposes. But again, head and shoulders potential, right? Then here, it looks like we might have double bottom. No, we did come lower. But, you know, coming lower with less negative momentum, that's fine. You know, we technically call this a double bottom if you wanted to. Right? Again, it just depends entirely on your perspective. For me, it isn't. It's coming out too low. You're creating that strong bullish divergence action to the upside. Boom, getting that nice rally, right? Higher positive momentum, higher. Here we create some bearish divergence from Tezos. As we go out here, look at that, boom. Alright, look at this. Bam. Right, we don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. They go overbought at 71.05, so again, we had bearish divergence against the MACD while being overbought. And that note, we moved down, right? Look at that, bring below 20. We didn't move much lower. We did create some hidden bullish, though. That's the only good thing, right? Look at this from here. Again, it's all on the 4-hour chart. That's awesome, dude. Boom, boom, boom. There we go, man. Look at this. I think we might have also have it here. 38.56 and 38.66. 56.66, slightly higher, man. We don't have it quite so here on the RSI. But even here, look at this, right? From here to here. From here to here. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, getting that rally happen. Something's off. Some it didn't like something here. Starting to move down on that. Don't like that. Alright, move below the 20 on the 4-hour. Let's go on the 1 hour. We might have a clue as to why we're breaking here. We might have created some bearish divergence here short term. Again, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of history here. Just look at major stuff that happened, right? Bearish divergence. Don't have it here. We're moving down. We're moving down. That's fine. Lower, lower, more native, lower. That's fine. Here, we managed to come lower still. From here to here. Then we're going from here to here. And then from here to here as well, right? Strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. There we go. So that's one, right? And then look at this. We tried to go higher. We rejected the 20, and that was fine. But here to here, we did manage to go lower still. In that second move, we still created that strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside, right? And we're getting that rally happening since, right? So we're trying to go higher. A high to low, right? We create some hidden bearish here again. Alright, and also here. Hidden bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. So we broke down slightly, but we still have the strong bullish to play on. We're still trying to rally as we go higher. Now, something I don't like here. And while we're moving down, remember how I told you guys we're probably going to have bearish divergence on the 1 hour? Look at that. High, higher, high. High to low, right? Positive, less positive. On the other side, we're fine. But strong bearish divergence actually to the downside. That's where we're moving down right now, right? We broke below the 20 also. So that's it, dude, bro. That's why Tesla is moving down right now. Sitting sold at 38.85. Look at this, right? This move. Right? Oh, snap. I forgot to anchor everything on the 1 hour. Oh, no. Why? Why? Why did I forget to do that, man? I traced so much stuff here, man. Oh, dude. I got to do a little cleanup here real quick, guys. Hell, dude. I hate it when I forget to anchor stuff. Because then when I go to the 1 hour chart, it just looks completely messy, right? The lines make no sense where they're at. Sorry, it's just easier if I go here and do this real quick. And when I'm in this view, it just gives me a little bit of a better chance to pinpoint everything here to the point that it should be at. Sometimes I leave them a little bit off. Just the thing is to get the idea of the move, right? I mean, we know we have it, so that's the whole point. Better anchored. There we go. Oh, okay, cancel. There we go, man. Round, there we go. And then this one over here, I think is the last one I missed. Yep, that should have been it for here. Right, so let's go to the 4 hour, right? Look at that. It's clean! Yay! So again, we had the bullish here, trying to rally, and the movement down, this movement down. It's from the bearish divergence we created on the 1 hour. Right? Whether or not this is going to go lower than this is still yet to be determined. You know, we could get a filter drop, and on that filter drop, we could go higher, right? So the 1 hour bearish divergence could die off somewhere around here. On the fact that we're creating some hidden bullish. I just seen it. I forgot to call it earlier. Look at that, going slightly higher there, and then here coming lower, right? And here also coming in lower. So that hidden bullish could be potentially what brings us a U-turn, right? That's why I said stalling here, failing to drop, and then go higher. So yeah, we do have something here on the 1 hour for Tezos. Dude, thanks for asking about Tezos. I haven't looked at it in a while. So if you guys have any requests, let me know. I'll keep the requests open for a little bit. Yeah, no worries, man. Again, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. I hope you like the channel. I hope you like the content. I hope you find it entertaining and educational. And if not educational, at least entertaining. And Again, just remember this is hidden, right? This is hidden bullish, so you can still drop a lot, right? Almost the same level, and then once it gets to the same level, we no longer have it. But you keep on dropping, right? And the hidden divergences have a lesser chance of playing out. We've known that sometimes they do play out, but what you want to find is strong hidden, strong medium or weak bullish divergence, or strong medium or weak bearish divergence. Those usually are what you want to look for, and then the hidden ones are just sometimes manage to play out, but again, like I said, sometimes you just gotta keep on tracking them, right? And they can keep on going on forever, man. That's the only bad thing about the hidden divergences. Hey, Cryptic, how's it going? Hello, message me on Discord. Awesome, I'll check out Discord. I have a message from Cryptic. Greetings, hope all is well. Greetings, good sir. Nice cipher on the 4 hour. Oh, dude, I hate ciphers. Can I review the link? Yeah, I can review link. No worries. Look, it's not that I hate ciphers. A lot of people like ciphers. They're just based off fibs. I just don't like using ciphers. For me, it's overcomplicating it, right? You're looking at different fibs, how they move, how much you're retracing. You make your bats, your crabs, your sharks sometimes, even dragons. I don't like ciphers. But I'm looking at what you sent me. I believe it's for Link. That's great. Yeah. Were you tracing head and shoulders there? Nah, that's not what I wanted to move. Anyways, I'll show you what Cryptic sent me. Alright, so this is the cipher that he's talking about, right? This cipher here, it looks like he had something else going on here. I'm not sure what he has. I'm trying to make up his chart, so this is the cipher that he has. I'm gonna validate it. But then he was looking at something here that looks like he's looking for a head and shoulders pattern to form. Which really could be it. Alright, I'm gonna look at Link. This is Link against Tether on the 4 hour. Right on. We'll look at that, Cryptic. Thank you for sending me that. Link. I already have Link open. Why am I looking for it? I just gotta go where it's at. I just gotta go where it's at, man. Link. Here we go. Right on. So let's go first here on the 1 hour. Link sitting at $10 and 78 cents. What is this here? $10, $48. Yeah, it's a big movement. We didn't have anything here short term, right? High, low, high, low. High. Yeah, we didn't have anything on the daily. Got above the 20, trying to get above the 50% retrace, right? Which is good. If we manage to hold on to that, we could be going to at 382. Right now, we are holding on to that, right? Look, we moved down. Again, the movement down here got us to, what was the low? 10.75. And we have this at 10.75017. So we hit it almost spot on. Don't look like we're rejecting it yet. We just managed to pull back up a little bit. That's fine. Setting neutral at 52.41 on there. So again, moving below this area would see us go for that 20 likely. But holding on to here, we could be going for that 382 at 12.93. So let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, I have different fibs here because I'm moving from high to lowest point. I can't remember why this is off a little bit. I'm not sure if this moved or if I moved this by accident. There we go. So we are hitting that 238 finding support. 236 finding support and trying to go there. It's at 10.50 cents. Right, almost 10.50. So we're trying to hold on to this here, right? Pulling back up a little bit. 10.77. That's where we're sitting at right now. We had the strong bullish divergence rallying since. Here we felt a drop. Managed to find support on the 5th now and going higher. That's great. We don't have anything else to go on here. Positive, high to low, positive is positive. Let's see, yep, 526, 34, right? So high, low, everything's going good here. So I don't have anything to complain here that is bearish for this project. That now it's sitting neutral at 51.20. But I think here's where you're doing your little shoulder game, right? This is one, this is another one, and then I think you're calling it for the other shoulder here. Dude, Cryptic, I'm not sure if that what you had in reddish, right? This. I'm not sure if you were like going for head and shoulders here, or if you're. It would be too weird for this to be a cipher, right? From here to here, or from here to here. This blue-ish or purplish, I definitely see the cipher there. But here in the short term, no. Right here. Huh. Cool. Anyways, then going up in bullish. I don't see anything bearish right now. That could break it down. So let's go to the 1 hour and see what we got there. Had the bearish divergence here on the 16th. We looked at this, so we moved down on that. Failed to drop. Tried to go higher. Again, drop slightly to the same level. Managed to go higher still, so that's good, man. From here to here, everything's good. Just here, short-term bearish divergence, right? From here to here. Yeah, head and shoulder. Yeah, all right, cool. Got it. It was bearish divergence, potential movement down. We are creating hidden bullish though right now. We could start a stall at this area and maybe try to get above that 20. All right, I'm just gonna make sure this is gonna be on the 1 hour. It is on the 1 hour. Yay! Super good, man. We don't have anything here. Staying neutral at 47.18. Let's go to the daily. Again, just more or less sideways right now, right? Looks like we're trying to recover, float it a little bit. Try to recover, float it a little bit. Try to go. What I'm saying is, if we manage to stay above this 50% at 7.75, 10.75, we could really try to go above and then try to go for that $12.93 area, right, on the fib. On the 4 hour, we have different fibs. We would be trying to go to over here, $12.30 maybe. Right? It looks like it's more or less clear. We might find some resistance around this area, right? Look at this, right? We find some support here, then support here as well, and then resistance here, right? Then resistance here again. This might not be a surefire way to look for resistance. I'm just looking at the near stuff, why it looks like we rejected here. We could try to face rejection at 11.56, and that would be an area of horizontal resistance that we're getting there, right? So again, then maybe something out here. It looks like we consistently rejected this area, right? But I would have to go in and probably look farther back. Then again, they're different on the daily and the 4 hour, right? So see here, we wouldn't get those very nice touch points here. We're just hitting wicks, right? So that rejection here would just get us to wicks. That wick over there would get us to the bodies at least. I think deep into the bodies, so I don't like that wick. So here, I'm not gonna place any kind of support or resistance right now. Horizontal, I would have to like really go and look way back. I don't even know. I don't think this chart has that much info and link. So see, and we don't have anything going farther back. So at least not even on this chart. So I'll just have to be looking at least back here. So again, let's wait for a link, I guess. Anyways, thanks for asking about Link, dude. We haven't looked at it in like 2 days, but you know, if you guys don't request a project, I usually don't look at it. So you guys gotta ask for them. Thank you guys for watching again. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and sub. I think I'm gonna sign off. It is Friday. It's Sunday night. It's 10:16 p.m. for me. I mean, I don't see any other requests flying through. You know, usually if they just like keep on coming, I'll keep on going, but. You know, if I have to like be asking for requests every time, I think I'm just trying to force you guys to request something. So if you guys are interested, genuinely interested, I know you're gonna request them without me asking. So I think by this time, all the requests should have been out already. So thank you all for being here again. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Again, this is Ted of Crypto. I'm your host Martin. I hope you found this stream entertaining. If not entertaining, educational. If not educational, entertaining, or both. Anyways, thank you for being here again. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is their crypto again. This is a great channel for people to learn about crypto. Some basic trading stuff they can pick up, you know, and try to be better off. Again, thank you all for being here, and that's going to be it for tonight. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.